clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing and trying on the products from IPSY GLAM Bag Plus for January 2020. I am definitely a little bit more excited about these products in my Plus than my Ultimate. Personally, I would have been okay just receiving Plus for January. My IPSY playlist will be linked to watch previous unboxings. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get into it. Ever since Ultimate has launched, I haven't purchased any add-ons, and I usually go add-on crazy, which makes me sad, but it's great for my bank account. And I already have my foundation on. I'm actually testing out some new products from NYX. They did have a Platinum Perk Day at Ulta, and they had 40% off the NYX Bear With Me line. I haven't tried anything from this line. I primed with the Hydrating Jelly Primer. I actually really like this. It was very similar to the Illamasqua Jelly Primer that we got in a previous box. I did not like the Illamasqua one. I definitely found that this NYX one felt a lot more hydrating and it worked better with a foundation, which I'm actually using a tinted moisturizer. This is the Tinted Skin Veil. I really liked how this applied. It is very lightweight coverage. I don't really like to wear heavy makeup when I go do errands or I go to work, so I definitely see myself reaching for this. And as I've mentioned in a few other videos, I'm trying to get back into the habit of waking up a little bit earlier to apply makeup, not to look more presentable to work, but it was always me time in the morning. It was very therapeutic. And then I went in with my Laura Geller powder. I do have some other NYX products that I'm going to try to implement if applicable, but I mainly splurged on these products because I really wanted the free gift for Platinum Perk Day, which was a dry shampoo. I can always use more dry shampoo. I think I maybe only spent $25 to $30. I still haven't uploaded my last haul of 2019, which talks about my low buy for January. Back to what this video is about. IPSY Plus unboxing and try on. What the inside looks like. It feels very light. Maybe I'm just used to having my boxes filled with add-ons. And this is January's bag. I like the marble print a lot. I find myself maybe using this as like work makeup, just putting a couple items in if I need to do touch-ups throughout the day or if I'm running late, but I still want to put a little bit of eye makeup on. Oh, I forgot to mention in my Ultimate video, January's theme is clean slate. And I don't think the Ultimate started off with a clean slate, but I think Plus did. And the first product I have is the Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. This retails for $58. I really enjoy the Purlisse line, and I've only tried products from Purlisse through the IPSY service. I love the Blue Lotus moisturizer. It is one of my favorites, especially for the spring and summer. It is in my 2020 Project Pan. Spoiler alert, that's not up yet either, but it is coming. This was also my choice item. I really love eye creams a lot, and I just felt like Purlisse has been working out for me quite nicely, that let's just give this one a shot. I have a little bit on my finger. Okay, it feels super hydrating. It says a serum, so it does feel a lot lighter, more like a gel than a cream. This is something I do want to implement into my skincare routine, even though I already have an eye product that I'm working on panning. But I feel like I'll be able to rotate both of these products out nicely. It feels very promising. A lot of eye creams I have noticed, if I just put it on my hand, it'll feel nice for a few seconds, and then it feels like if I didn't put moisturizer on, but this still feels nice and hydrated. So I definitely have high hopes for it. It's supposed to hydrate intensively, firms and brightens, decreases puffiness, which I have all of those concerns. I'm gonna set it aside with my January products so I can implement it a little bit more and report back in another video at some point, which I'm working on 2020 as well. That way you guys are updated about how these products that we get in boxes do work out, or do they get decluttered? Are they new holy grails? Whatever it may be. We have a second skincare product. This is by the brand Noors Skin Meditation Gel Cream. This retails for $36. I haven't heard of this brand, and if I have, I got it in another box and it was easily forgotten. It did not leave a very lasting impression. I feel like we received something similar to this in my last box, which I did not like. I think it's by the brand like Evolve or Evolu something garbage. But let's see how this works out. That's what it looks like on the hand, and we'll moisturize it on the other hand. Oh wow. It is very lightweight like a gel, and it absorbed right in. There's no scent to it, which is nice. I know a lot of people don't prefer scents in their skincare. I know for me, I can find some scents irritating to the skin. It increases my redness, which I don't like, as well as sensitivity. So I think this would be a lot better for spring and summer. I don't think I would get much use out of this right now in winter, even though it is 70 degrees this weekend. Crazy. I'm not liking it. I'm very cranky that the weather is a lot warmer right now. I love winter. I love cold weather. I just live in hoodies, but my hand does feel nice. I just don't feel like it would be enough for right now. Let's see. This is The first line of the description is very interesting. It says, fluctuating hormones, especially around your period, can make your skin super sensitive. I definitely see an increase in texture, acne, redness. Yeah, so I can agree. Luckily, this soothing gel cream is here to help it chill out. It's a little bit bold in my opinion. It's loaded with cooling peppermint oil, which I don't smell peppermint, and I didn't feel a cooling effect, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. You don't have to put hydrating in front of the word hyaluronic because hyaluronic acid is supposed to be a very hydrating property, so it's very redundant at that point to give you soft, dewy skin at every stage of your monthly cycle. Are you suggesting I only use this around my monthly cycle? Tip: sensitive skin needs protection, so layer this gel cream under your favorite SPF before you head out in the morning. So I'm glad that this is formulated for sensitive skin. I'm a little thrown off guard. I feel like I should only use this around that time of the month. TMI, mine has already passed for January. Maybe I'll wait till February's and see how this works out, even though it will be colder, but I'm a little intrigued that it would use your time of the month as a baseline for this product. Why isn't it a product for the V then? Next we have an eyeliner by the brand Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Wingman waterproof eyeliner in 01 I'll Be Black. Okay, very punny. This retails for $11.99. Feel like this would be like a higher end drugstore product that you would find like Pixie. I love eyeliner. I go through it so quickly. It likes to adhere to eyeshadow. I don't know why, it just does. It's part of the harsh reality of liquid eyeliners. This is what the tip looks like. I really like that precise tip. Ooh, yes, I like that. Nice matte black. I barely press it on my hand. I hope it is very long lasting. It seems to be drying down super nice. I just don't want it to dry out super quick or get covered in eyeshadow. I know so many liquid eyeliners love to adhere to the little specks of glitter in shimmer shades. I got the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. This retails for $27. This is going to be set aside for a giveaway because I already have it. I have not done a video on it, but I have worn this palette in a couple of videos around December for more festive looks. I'm just gonna make sure that this one is not broken. And it's not. Good condition for you guys. And I'll do swatches in a little bit. Based off of already previously using it, it blended super nice. I did not run into any issues. The color story is gorgeous. I want to do a comparison against the ColourPop one. I think it's Main Squeeze, unless if this has a similar color story to Ooh La La. Because I do miss doing Palette Royale videos, I think the Huda and ColourPop ones are good to compare against from a price point and formula perspective. And then the last product is by Nature's Cartel. This is a lipstick in the shade Gin and Platonic. It retails for $15. The shade looks pretty. Ooh, wow. It feels like a very sheer lipstick. The color looks very similar to my lip color, so just add like a little oomph, spice it up a bit. As I mentioned, I would have been just content having a plus for January. I think what I received was pretty decent. I'm definitely very excited for the Perlice eye cream. I love eye creams. I'm such an eye cream fanatic. Naturally, I always compare everything to my Ole Henriksen Banana C eye cream. The Norse gel cream, very interesting claims about your time of the month. I don't know why I'm just struck by that, but I definitely want to put it to the test and see. I definitely see myself reaching for it more spring and summer than the winter because I need a little bit more. Because of having very dry skin, I find myself needing a thicker cream just to keep my face hydrated. Those were the skincare items and my hopes for those products. Let's try the makeup items and I'll give you my first impressions. I'm going to fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and then we're going to set with the NYX Control Freak and prime with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. Let's swatch the Ruby Obsessions. This is the Ruby Obsessions palette swatched. Everything felt really nice and smooth. There's pigment throughout every single shade. Even this faded peachy shade, it trails off a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about it. It's not a color I feel like I would find myself reaching for, except for as like a transition shade. There are two other palettes to choose from. I think the Emeralds and the Sapphire for January. I already own all these. I got them around Black Friday. I was really excited to see them go on a good sale. I had to add more to the Huda family. Maybe I'll take this more reddish orange shade. A little nervous. Me and orange don't always agree with each other. Just slab it in the crease to get things going. Already super pigmented, and there is no kickback to the shade. I think it's more of a satin. For once, I think my right eye laid down better than my left. This will be the first and only time that ever happens. And I think on the same brush, so I'm just gonna clean it off on the wheel. I know it's a shimmer shade, but I'm feeling a little bit bold. Kind of want to take this shimmer to deepen the outer portion and round out the outer V. I love putting shimmer shades wherever I feel like it, even though I'm like, oh no, did I just soil this already? Yeah, that's super pigmented, scary. What did I just do? I'm feeling like this more magenta shimmer to put on. Plus, do you get Ultimate or the regular glam bag? I would love to know what you received in those and what your thoughts on those products are. It seems to be that if Ultimate's having a good month, Plus suffers and vice versa. So I guess we'll see how February is going to be. Maybe February will be the first month when both of them are on point. For Plus, I think January had decent products, decent brands, and a good value for $25, whereas Ultimate I felt was very lacking with those factors. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.